If you want to add captions like this is the video for you. The first step is to generate auto captions. Don't worry, we're not using them directly as subtitles. They just make it easier to follow along with your dialogue. Next, add a text layer and type your first word. I'll use your as an example. First, type your and select the uppercase option. Then decrease the character spacing to -1 to bring the letters closer. Scroll down to Shadow, enable it, and increase the blur slightly. Set the distance to 10, angle to -70, and opacity to 25 for a subtle shadow. Position this layer at the beginning of the timeline where the word is spoken and plan its endpoint. Next, return to the beginning of the timeline, scroll down, and create a transform keyframe and a blend keyframe. Hold Shift and click the forward arrow twice, then click it 2 more times without Shift, moving approximately 12 frames ahead. At this new point, create another transform keyframe and a blend keyframe. Jump back to the first keyframe using the arrow key. Drag the opacity down to 0 and set the Y value to -100. This creates a fade-in effect where the word slides up. Let's make these animations look more professional by right-clicking and saying Show Variable Speed Animation. Since only the Y value was changed, select the 2 Y keyframes, go to the Presets curve, and choose Quad Ease. Drag the small dot closer to the first keyframe. This makes the word slide up faster initially and then slow down. Do the same for the blend keyframes. Finally, with the word still selected, go to Animation, scroll to Slide Up, and leave the duration at 0.5 seconds. Add a blur to the Out animation. This completes 90% of the work for this caption style. The remaining steps involve layering text and adding secret elements. To do this, hold down Alt and drag to create a few more layers, and stagger them on the timeline so they appear at the right time. For variety, you can resize and reposition different words so some stand out more than others. So that's how our final video results look. Your choice of font speaks before your actual message does. Follow me to see more videos like this every day.